बहुत लोगों को प्रोनाउंसिएशन में काफ़ी तकलीफ आती है, जैसे कि वी डू नॉट नो वेदर टू कॉल इट वेडनेसडे और वेंसडे. So let us do one by one the days of the week for your better pronunciation. Somvar, that is Monday. Mangalvar, that is Tuesday. Budhvar, that is Wednesday. Gurvar, that is Thursday. Shukravar, that is Friday. Shanivar, that is Saturday. Or Ravivar, that is Sunday. I will do it again. Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, the D is silent, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. April, April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July, July. August, August. Please make sure this is not August. This is Au and gust, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. And finally, December. I will do this again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to sit down and think of one day of your life in the month of August and write it down. Please don't forget to write in the comment section below or maybe mail us your answer. So what you'll have to do is say you have to choose any particular day of the month of August, okay, and you will have to write to us about how do you spend your day, how did you spend that particular day. For example, the beginning of the day after the sun rises, you call it morning. You call it morning. After your morning comes noon. Now, noon is specific to 12 p.m. which is also called as midday. Afternoon comes afternoon. After the afternoon is over, you have evening. And then finally, night. Now, 12 a.m. in the night is specifically called midnight. जब शाम को सूरज ढलती है, the English term for it is dusk. और सूरज उगने से पहले जब आकाश थोड़ा सा साफ होता है, it is called dawn. So now that you know all the words of your day, what I want you to do is, I want you to write me a note on how did you spend any one particular day, say 15th August. How did you spend 15th August 2018? Start from the morning, your routine in the morning till the time that you slept. How exactly did you spend the day in English? Thank you.